Hello friends, now today we will start the new chapter, that is the triangle from M2. I will explain all the theorems and the solve examples and the examples from the practice set 3.1 in a very simple language. I hope that you will understand all the problems. Now let us start the new chapter triangle and the practice set 3.1. And now let us start the triangles. Theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. This we learn in this chapter. Congruence of triangles. Theorems of an isosceles triangle. Property of 30, 60, 90 angle triangle. Median of a triangle. Property of median on hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Perpendicular bisector theorem, angle bisector theorem, similar triangles. All these topics we will learn in this chapter. And now the first video is on the theorem of the remote interior angle of a triangle. Now let us start. The theorem of the remote interior angles of a triangle. What is the statement of this theorem? The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of its remote interior angles. Given angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. Angle PRS is the exterior angle of triangle PQR. To prove which are the remote interior angles. The remote interior angles are the angle P and angle Q. That is angle RPQ, angle PQR. These are the remote interior angles. And the measure of angle PRS is equals to measure of angle RPQ plus measure of angle PQR. Proof. The sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. Therefore, we will write here that is a measure of angle PQR plus measure of angle QPR plus measure of angle PRQ is equals to 180. Also see these two angles, that is angle PRS plus measure of angle PRQ is equals to 180. That is angles in linear pair. Now the sum of the angles of the triangles is 180 and this is also 180. It means that the right hand sides are equal. या दोन्ही right hand sides कशा आहेत तर equals आहेत 180 180. Therefore we can equate these left hand sides also. Therefore from 1 and 2, that is from 1 and 2, angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ is equals to angle PRQ plus angle PRS. Now from the both sides, on the both sides we will eliminate one angle. That angle is a PRQ. PRQ. We'll eliminate PRQ on the both sides. Therefore, measure of angle PQR plus measure of angle QPR is equals to measure of angle PRS. Eliminating on both sides, that is angle PRS. Therefore, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of its remote interior angles. Now, let's learn the property of an exterior angle of a triangle. Sum of two positive numbers A and B, that is A plus B, is a greater than A and greater than B also. If we add these two numbers, म्हणजे कोणते दोन नंबर जर आपण ऍड केले तर त्या दोन नंबर्सची ऍडिशन ही इंडिव्हिज्युअली म्हणजे ए पेक्षा जास्त असते आणि बी पेक्षा पण जास्त असते. तीच प्रॉपर्टी इथे आपण अप्लाय केली. दॅट इज A plus B is a greater than A plus B is a greater than B. Using this inequality, we get one property related to exterior angle of a triangle. Now see this here, that is in triangle PQR, angle PRS is the exterior angle. The measure of angle PRS is a greater than P. PRS is a greater than P and the PRS is a greater than Q in this way. An exterior angle of a triangle is greater than its remote interior angles. हा exterior angles या दोन्ही remote interior पेक्षा कसा असतो तर मोठा असतो. Now see this solved examples. It's very simple example. The measures of angles of a triangles are in the ratio 5:6:7. Find the measures. Let the measures of the angles of a triangle are 5x, 6x and 7x. Let x be the common multiple. Okay. Then the sum of the measures of angles is equals to 180. 5x plus 6x plus 7x is equals to 180. 5x plus 6x is 11x. 11x plus 7x is 18x is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equals to 180 degree upon 18 and therefore x is equals to 10. Therefore, measure of the first angle is 5x. 5 into 10 that is equals to 50. Measure of second angle 6x. 6 into 10 that is equals to 60. Measure of third angle 7x is equals to 7 into 10 that is equals to 70. Sorry. Therefore, the measures of angles of the triangles are 50 degree, 60 degree and 70 degree. Now next, example number 2. Observe the figure and find the measures of angles P, RS and RTS. P, RS and RTS. Now first measure of the angle PRS. This PRS हा कसा आहे PRS हा अँगल तो PQR चा एक्सटिरियर अँगल आहे म्हणून याचं मेजर म्हणजे काय सम ऑफ इट्स रिमोट इंटिरियर which is 40 degree plus 30 degree. Therefore measure of angle PRS is equals to 70 degree. Measure of angle PRS is equals to 30 degree plus 40 degree which is equals to 70 degree. And PRS is equals to measure of angle PQR plus measure of angle QPR, that is a 40 degree plus 30 degree which is equals to 70 degree. This is the first. What about next? Measure of angle RTS. Measure of angle RTS. We know that the measure of this angle TRS is a 70 degree. What about this? Now the measure of all these angles of the triangles, that is a TRS is equals to 180. त्याचं मेजर 180 असणार आहे आणि मग आपण इथे लिहिणार काय की मेजर ऑफ अँगल TRS प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल RTS प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल TSR is equals to 180. Sum of all angles of triangles. आणि इथे fill in the blanks question आहे तो. And what about the measure of angle TRS? We know that the measure of angle, that is the TRS, that is the measure of angle PRS is equals to 70 degree and TRS is 70 degree. That is 70 degree plus measure of angle RTS plus measure of angle TSR is equals to 20 degree and that is equals to 180. Therefore, 70 degree plus 20 degree that is equals to 90 degree and therefore measure of angle RTS is equals to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. Now the next question, prove that the sum of exterior angles of triangles obtaining by extending its sides in the same direction is 360. Given angle PAB, angle QBC, angle ACR are the exterior angles of the triangles ABC. And therefore measure of angle PAB plus measure of angle QBC plus measure of angle ACR is equals to 360. Now see this here. If we extend the sides of this triangle ABC, that is AB is extended to the point Q, BC is extended to the point R, and CA is extended to the point P. Now the exterior angles, which are the exterior? कोणते exterior angles असतील मग? Angle ACR plus measure of angle QBC plus measure of angle PAB. That's the sum of these all the exterior angles is equals to 180. Now consider the triangle ABC and the first exterior angle, that is a PAB. Okay. Now the measure of this angle PAB. This is the exterior angle. This measure of this angle is equals to, it's a remote interior. मग कोणते remote interior असतील? That is a angle ABC, measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle ACB. हे त्याचे रिमोट इंटिरियर आणि आपण त्यांची ती टोटल करणार. ABC plus ACB, it's a remote interior. Therefore measure of angle PAB is equals to ABC plus ACB. Okay, this is one. Similarly, measure of angle ACR. What is that? ACR. हा ACR काय झाला, एक्सट्रीज झाला. मग त्याचे रिमोट इंटिरियर कोणते? द मेजर ऑफ अँगल CAB प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल ABC, that is the ACR is equals to ABC plus BAC, theorem of remote interior. What about the last? कुठला शेवटचा अँगल आहे? तर मेजर ऑफ अँगल CBQ हा एक्सट्रीज अँगल आहे. मग त्याचे रिमोट इंटिरियर कोणते होतील? That is the measure of angle BAC plus measure of angle ACB. These are its remote interior. And all these, if we add all these three equations, then you will get on the one side, that is the measure of angle PAB plus measure of angle ACR plus measure of angle CBQ. That's equals to measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle ACB plus measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle BAC plus measure of angle BAC plus measure of angle ACB. All angles are the 2 times, that is the 2 and measure of angle ABC plus 2 measure of angle ACB plus 2 measure of angle BAC. If we take the 2 common, then you will get sum of measures of all angles of the triangles is 180. That is a 2 into 180, and that is equals to 360, and therefore the sum of the exterior angles of these triangles is equals to 360. This is method number 1. What about the second method? Now see this triangle ABC. Angle F, angle D, angle E, these are the exterior angles, and the angle ABC, small ABC are the interior angles. Now see this here. Measure of angle C plus F is equals to 180. Next is A plus D is equals to 180. B plus E is equals to 180. Okay. And if we add all these angles, that is 1, 2, and 3, then you will get measure of angle C plus measure of angle F plus measure of angle A plus measure of angle D plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle E is equals to 180 into 3, that is equals to 540. And therefore measure of angle F plus measure of angle D plus measure of angle E in another bracket. Okay, D plus F plus E, and in another bracket measure of angle A plus B plus measure of angle C is equals to 540. Therefore the measure of angle F plus measure of angle D plus measure of angle E. What are the measure of angles A plus B plus C? That's the angles of the triangles, and their sum is equals to 180. Therefore this is 180. Therefore measure of angle F plus measure of angle D plus measure of angle E is equals to 540 minus 180. That is equals to 360, and hence the exterior angles of these triangles is equals to 180. Now the next problem is, in figure, the bisectors of angle B and angle C of the triangle ABC intersect at the point P. Then prove that the measure of angle BPC is equals to 90 plus 1 upon 2 measure of angle BAC. This we want to prove. Now see this in this proof. In triangle ABC, measure of angle BAC plus measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle ACB is equals to 180. The sum of measures of angles of a triangles. Okay. Then half of all these angles, that is a half of the BAC plus half of ABC plus half of ACB is equals to 180. प्रत्येकाचा half of करायचा. Then what you will get? 1 upon 2 measure of angle BAC plus 1 upon 2 measure of angle ABC plus 1 upon 2 measure of angle ACB is equals to 1 upon 2 into 180. 1 upon 2 into 180 is 90 degree. Okay. 1 upon 2 measure of angle BAC plus 1 upon 2 measure of angle PBC. That is, instead of A, B, C, we write here measure of angle PBC. Here is the PBC. And next, instead of 1 upon 2 measure of angle ACB, we write here PCB. Here is the PCB, and that's equals to 90. Therefore, here we can write again here, that is the measure of angle PBC plus PCB is equals to 90 minus 1 upon 2 measure of angle BAC. This is 1. Therefore, now in triangle, what about in triangle? That is a measure of angle BPC plus measure of angle PBC plus measure of angle PCB is equals to 180. That's the sum of measures of angles of a triangles. And now here we substitute the value of measure of angle PBC plus PCB. PBC plus PCB is equals to 90 minus 1 upon 2 BAC, that's equals to 180. Therefore, measure of angle BPC is equals to 180 minus, here upon right hand side like that, minus in bracket 90 minus 1 upon 2 measure of angle BAC. If you open the bracket, that is 180 minus 90 plus 1 upon 2 measure of angle BAC. 180 minus 90, then you will get 90 plus 1 upon 2 measure of angle BAC. And hence, this is a very important property. ही सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट प्रॉपर्टी काय, जर हे दोन्ही बायसेक्टर्स काढले तर त्यापासून तयार होणारा हा मेजर ऑफ अँगल बीपीसी, याचं मेजर किती असतं तर 90 प्लस हाफ ऑफ दिस measure of angle BAC. Now see this, the practice set. Now we see the practice set 3.1. First example is very simple. That in figure ACD, in figure angle ACD is an exterior angle of the triangle. What is again? Measure of angle B is equals to 40. Measure of angle A is equals to 70. This is 40, 70 and 40. What about the measure of angle ACD? The measure of angle ACD is equals to the sum of its remote interior, and that is equals to 110 degree. Okay. Therefore, here we write that the measure of angle BAC is equals to 70. Measure of 70 degree. Measure of angle ABC is equals to 40 degree. Okay. ACD is exterior angle. Therefore, remote interior are angle A and angle B. Therefore, the measure of angle ACD is equals to measure of angle BAC plus measure of angle ABC by the theorem of the remote interior angles, and that is equals to 70 plus 40 degree, that is equals to 110. Therefore, measure of angle ACD is equals to 110. Next, in triangle PQR, measure of angle P is 70, measure of angle Q is 65. Find the measure of angle R. That is the sum of the measures of angles of the triangles is equals to 180. Measure of angle P is 70 degree, Q is 65. Measure of angle R is equals to 180. That is 70 plus 65, that is equals to 135 plus measure of angle R is equals to 180. Therefore, measure of angle R is equals to 180 minus 135, that is equals to 45. And hence answer measure of angle R is equals to 45. It's a very simple question. This is also very simple. That is the measures of angles of a triangles are x degree in bracket x minus 20 degree and x minus 40 degree. Find the measures of each angle. Now see this here. That is, these are the angles, and the sum of measures of angles is equals to 180. Therefore, we add this x degree plus x minus 20 degree plus x minus 40 degree is equals to 180. That is the sum of measures of all angles of the triangle. Now the next is x plus x minus 20 plus x minus 40 is equals to 180. Minus 20 minus 40, that is a minus 60. X plus x, which is 3x minus 60 is equals to 180. Therefore, 3x is equals to 180 plus 60, and therefore 3x is equals to 240. Therefore, x is equals to 240 upon 3. Therefore, x is equals to 80. Therefore, measure of angle x degree is equals to 80 degree. What about the measure of angle next? That is x minus 20. मग x ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याकडे 80 आहे. 80 minus 20 केला तर तो किती आला 60 आला. 80 minus 40 केला तो किती आला तर 40 आला. In this way, the measures of angles of the triangles are 80 degree, 60 degree, and 40 degree. Question number 4. The measure of one angles of triangles is twice the measures of its smallest angle, and the measure of the other angle is thrice the measure of the smallest angle. And it's very simple question. That is म्हणजे smallest angle त्या दोन्ही angles compare केलेला आहे. Let the measure of the smallest angle of the triangle is x degree according to the given condition. The other two angles are 2x and 3x, and the sum of the angles is x degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree is equals to 180. And that is equals to 6x is equals to 180. Therefore, x is equals to 180 upon 6. That x is equals to 30 degree. Therefore, measure of the other two angles are 2x means 2 into 30. That's equals to 60. And next angle is 3x, 3 into 30, that is equals to 90. Therefore, the measures of the angles are 30 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Now, in figure, measure of some angles are given. Using the measures, find the values of x, y, z. Now, see this here. To find out the measure of this angle x, before that we will find out the measure of angle y. and measure of angle Z. Now measure of angle TEN and the measure of angle NEM. These are the linear pair. Their sum is equals to 180, and the measure of angle EN, EMR and measure of angle ME, EMN. These are the linear pair. Their sum is equals to 180, and we can find out the measures of the angles, that is the Y and Z. That is the first is measure of angle TEN. What is that? TEN plus measure of angle NEM is equals to 180. Substitute TN is equals to 100 plus Y is equals to 180. Therefore, Y degree is equals to 180 minus 100, and that is equals to Y is equals to 80 degree. Next, measure of angle EMR plus measure of angle EMN is equals to 180. Substitute the value, that is a 140 plus measure of angle EMR. Again I will repeat, measure of angle EMR plus measure of angle EMR plus measure of angle EMA is equals to 180. Now this is 140 plus measure of angle Z is equals to 180. Therefore the measure of angle Z is equals to 40 degree. Again in triangle NEM, okay, in triangle NEM, that is the measure of angle X plus Y plus Z is equals to 180. Substitute the value of Y and Z, then you will get, that is X plus 80 degree plus 40 degree is equals to 180. Therefore X plus 120 is equals to 180. Therefore X is equals to 180 minus 120, and that is equals to 60 degree. Therefore the values of X is 60 degree, Y is 80 and Z is a 40 degree. Now next question, in figure, that is the line AB is a parallel to line D. AB is a parallel to D. Find the measures of angles DRE, DRE and the measure of angle ARE using the measures of some angles. Now see this here. The line AB is parallel to line D and the AD is their transversal. Therefore measure of angle BAD is equals to EDA. These are the alternate angles. Therefore measure of this angle is A is 70 degree. Therefore measure of angle D is also 70. D means what? Measure of angle EDA. याचा पण मेजर किती मिळेल आपल्याला तर 70 डिग्री मिळेल. This is given. What about the next? This angle is 70. This angle is 70. Now the ARE. What is the ARE? This is the exterior angle. And what about the measure of angle? This D is a 70 degree. Therefore measure of angle ARE is equals to sum of its a remote interior. That is a 70 degree plus 40 degree. Therefore measure of angle ARE is equals to measure of angle EDR plus measure of angle DER plus measure of angle DER. Their measures are 70 degree and 40 degree. Therefore measure of angle AER is equals to 110 degree. Again, that is the measure of angle ARE plus measure of angle DRE is equals to 180. That is angles in the linear pair. Measure of angle ARE plus measure of angle DRE is equals to 180. Now we know the measure of angle ARE, that is 110 degree plus measure of angle DRE is equals to 180 degree, and therefore measure of angle DRE is equals to 180 minus 110, and that is equals to 70 degree. Therefore measure of angle DRE is equals to 70 degree and measure of angle ARE is equals to 110 degree. Now the question number 7. In triangle ABC, the bisectors of angle A and B intersect at the point O. Measure of angle C is equals to 70 degree. Find the measure of angle AOB, and just we have proved this theorem, that is the bisectors. Measure of this angle AOB. Okay, measure of this angle AOB is equals to 90 plus 1 upon 2 measure of this angle C. That we can find out it. Now see this here, measure of angle CBO and the measure of angle OBA is equals to YY. Now the measure of angle CAB, measure of angle CAB is equals to measure of angle CAO plus measure of angle OAB. That is again its angle addition property. Therefore, measure of angle CAB is equals to x plus x, that is equals to 2x. Similarly, measure of angle CBA is equals to, that is a 2y. It's very simple. आणि तो त्याचं आन्सर देखील ओरली आहे. मेजर ऑफ अँगल इन ट्रायंगल CAB that is equals to the sum of the angles of the triangles is equals to, that is 180. Therefore, first is a 70 degree. Okay, 70 degree. 2x plus 2y is equals to 180. That is 70 plus 2 in bracket x plus y is equals to 180. Therefore, 2 in bracket x plus y is equals to 180 minus 70 degree. Therefore, 2 in bracket x plus y is equals to 110 degree. Therefore, x plus y is equals to 110 upon 2. Therefore, x plus y is equals to 55 degree. Okay. Now, the x plus y is, what is that? Is equals to 55. What about the measure of angle AOB? That is in triangle AOB, sum of all the angles of the triangles is equals to the 180. We'll substitute the value of the x plus y, which is the 55. Okay, therefore measure of angle AOB is equals to 180 minus 55, and that is equals to 125. आणि या प्रकारे देखील आपण काढू शकतो. जर हे दोन्ही बायसेक्टर्स असतील तर मेजर ऑफ अँगल AOB is equals to this measure of angle C plus 1 upon 2 90 degree. That is a 1 upon 2 into 90 degree means what? It is a 45. That is a 70 plus 45. That is equals to 70 plus 45 is equals to 125. Now the question number 8. In figure, line AB is a parallel to line CD and the line PQ is the transversal. Ray PT and the ray QT are the bisectors of angle BPQ and the angle PQD respectively. Then prove that the measure of angle PTQ is equals to 90 degree. Now see these two lines are parallel, and the ray PT and the ray QT, these are the bisector. Now we want to prove that the measure of angle PTQ is equals to 90 degree. Now see this here. As this is a bisector, आपण इथे काय ट्रीट करणार, the measure of angle BPT is equals to measure of angle TPQ is equals to x. Also, measure of angle PQT is equals to measure of angle TQD is equals to y degree. Both are the same. Now see this measure of angle BPT is equals to measure of angle TPQ is equals to x. What about the next? The measure of angle PQT is equals to measure of angle TQ. That is the measure of angle PQT is equals to measure of angle TQD is equals to y. Okay. Now these two lines are parallel. AB is a parallel to CD and the PQ is their transversal. Therefore, the linear angles, that is the interior angles, that is the measure of angle BPQ plus measure of angle PQT is equals to 180. These are the interior angles. That is the BPQ plus PQD is equals to 180. And if you split up this, then you will get measure of angle BPT plus TPQ plus measure of angle PQT plus measure of angle this TQD is equals to 180 degree. That is the angle addition property. What about these two angles? That is x plus x and this is y plus y is equals to 180. Therefore, 2x plus 2y is equals to 180. Take 2 as a common. Then 2 in bracket x plus y is equals to 180. Therefore, x plus y is equals to 180 upon 2. And therefore, x plus y is equals to 90 degree. That is it. Now, in triangle PTQ, now see this step PTQ. The measure of angle this x plus y plus measure of angle PTQ is equals to 180. But we know the value of, that is, see this again here. The measure of angle PTQ plus measure of angle TPQ plus measure of angle TQP is equals to 180. Substitute the value. This is the x and y. Therefore, measure of angle PTQ is equals to x plus y is 90 degree is equals to 180. Therefore, measure of angle PTQ is equals to 180 minus 90 degree. Therefore, measure of angle PTQ is equals to 180 minus 90, which is the 90. And hence, the measure of angle PTQ is equals to 90 degree. Now, the next question is also very simple. That is a measure of angle B is a vertically opposite angle. Measure of angle B is a 70 degree. What about C? These two angles are linear pair. Therefore, measure of angle C is equals to 80 degree. And A plus B plus C is equals to 180. Therefore, we can find out the measure of angle A. Now, see this here. A is a 70 degree. C plus this 100. B is equals to 70 degree. That is vertically opposite. C plus 100 degree is equals to 180. Therefore, C is equals to 80 degree. A plus B plus C is equals to 180. Substitute the value of B and C. That is the measure of angle A plus 70 degree plus 80 degree is equals to 180. Therefore, 70 degree plus 180, that is 150, is equals to 180. Therefore, measure of angle A is equals to 180 degree minus 150. That is equals to A is equals to 30 degree. And these are the angles. Now, the next question. In figure, that is a D is a parallel to, this D is a parallel to GF, and the EG is a bisector of the angle DEF, and FG is a bisector of angle D. I will again repeat, that is a EG, this is a EG, and the FG. These are the bisectors of angle DEF and angle DFM. Okay. Then we want to prove that the measure of angle DEG, that is the measure of angle DEG, DEG is equals to 1 upon 2 measure of angle EDF, EDF. And the next, this is the EF is equals to FG. EF is equals to FG. That is the triangle EFG is the isosceles triangle. Now see this here. The measure of angle DEG, measure of angle DEG is equals to measure of angle GEF is equals to x degree. And the next measure of angle DEF is equals to DEG plus GF is equals to x degree plus x degree. That is a 2x degree. What about the next? The line DE and the line GF, these are the parallel. Line D and the line GF, these are the parallel. And the EF, these two lines are parallel. That is the angle DEF is congruent to angle GFM. These are the corresponding angles, and their measure is equals to 2x. That is a GFM is equals to 2x. Ray FG, okay, ray FG is the bisector of angle DFM. म्हणून याचा देखील मेजर किती येणार? याचा 2x आहे, याचा देखील किती येणार? तर 2x येणार. That is the measure of angle. First is that is a DFG. DFG is equals to measure of angle GFM is equals to 2x. And next, the measure of angle DFM. DFM is equals to DFG plus angle GFM. That is a 2x degree plus 2x degree, that is equals to 4x degree. Therefore, the measure of angle DFM is equals to 4x degree. Now, the measure of angle DFM is an extra angle of the triangle DEF. This is extra angle of the triangle DEF. The measure of angle DEM is equals to measure of angle EDF plus measure of angle DEF. That is a theorem of the remote interior. Therefore, that is a DFM is a 4x degree, and EDF is a as EDF, and DEF is a 2x degree. Therefore, the measure of angle EDF is equals to 4x degree minus 2x degree, and therefore measure of angle EDF is equals to 2x degree. Measure of angle EDF is equals to 2x degree. Okay. Now the next measure of angle, that is a EDF. EDF is equals to 2 times the measure of angle DEG, and that's why the measure of angle D is equals to 1 upon 2 measure of angle EDF. This is we want to prove. Now, if we see this, the triangle, that is a EFG. What about their base angles? The base angles are XX, both are equal, and hence EF is equals to FG. Now see this again here. That is a line DE is a parallel to GF. DE is a parallel to GF, and the EG is the their transversal. EG is the their transversal. Therefore, this is the measure of angle X, and this is also measure of angle X. Therefore, the measure of angle DEG is equals to measure of angle FGE. That is the alternate angle, and therefore measure of angle FGE. This angle is equals to X degree. Therefore, in triangle, what about in triangle? That is a E. That is a FEG is equal in triangle FEG. What is happening? That is the angle FGE. FGE is equals to angle GEF, and that's why the base angles are congruent. Therefore, FG is equals to EF. That is a isosceles triangle theorem. And in this way, we have completed the practice set 3.1. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.